What if memorable web addresses were available for every great new idea? How would that change the internet? What if choosing a domain name was simple and logical? No need for dashes, numbers, made-up words, or awkward combinations. Simply your name, as it should be.
Yippee!
Soon, finding the perfect domain name will be just that easy. And finding your website will become much easier for users. Categorizing the web removes the guesswork. Introducing the new top-level domains. What is a top-level domain, or TLD? It's the part of a web address that appears after the dot, like .com, .net, and .org. Since the advent of the internet, there have been just a few to choose from. This has made the web address space crowded and often confusing. Soon, there will be over 1,000 new choices to suit nearly every taste and situation, and many more. The new TLDs greatly increase choice, enrich expression, and give internet users better ways to discover and understand a business or website. The new TLDs, coming soon.